The Lalita Sahasranamam begins by describing the goddess with three powerful names: Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Srimat Simhasaneshwari. Shri Mata, the Divine Mother. This name immediately establishes the goddess as the source of all creation, nurturing and protecting the universe with her boundless love. Shri Maharagni, the Divine Queen. This name speaks of her sovereignty and power, her reign over all realms of existence. She is the Queen of the universe who governs it and ensures its smooth functioning. Srimat Simhasaneshwari, the divine goddess who is seated on a lion throne. The lion, the king of the jungle, is the most powerful predator. It symbolizes her power of destruction. It conveys that just as she is the creator and sustainer, she is also the destroyer, the force that removes the old and allows for renewal and rejuvenation. She is also the power that destroys negativity, ignorance, and all that hinders our spiritual progress. It's no coincidence that as Mahishasura Mardini, the slayer of the demon Mahishasura, she is depicted riding a lion. This imagery powerfully conveys her ability to vanquish the demonic forces within us. Together, these three names paint a picture of the goddess as the creator, sustainer, and destroyer of the universe. They echo the profound truth of the Upanishads that the universe emerges from Brahman, is sustained in Brahman, and ultimately dissolves into Brahman. But there's another layer of depth to these names. They are not merely descriptive titles, they are infused with the power of Bija mantras, seed sounds that carry immense spiritual potency. The very first sound, Shreem, is the Bija mantra of goddess Lakshmi, the embodiment of abundance, prosperity, and auspiciousness. By invoking this mantra, we invite these qualities into our lives, creating a fertile ground for spiritual growth and material well being. The Lalita Sahasranamam, by starting with Shreem in each of these first three names, Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Srimat Simhasaneshwari, not only invokes these blessings but also establishes a connection between Goddess Lalita and Goddess Lakshmi. It suggests that the ultimate reality, the divine consciousness, encompasses both material and spiritual abundance. And that's why the Lalita Sahasranamam is such a profound text. It has so many layers of meaning and depth, woven with symbolism, mantra, and profound philosophical truths.